A TV that truly understands you. No tiny buttons, no confusing remotes. Just seamless entertainment at your command. Whether you're unwinding with your favorite classic films, video calling loved ones in crystal clear quality, or managing your smart home from the comfort of your couch, the Tesla Smart TV 2025 introduces groundbreaking technology designed to simplify your life and keep you effortlessly connected. What makes the Tesla Smart TV 2025 a game changer? How can it transform your daily routine? And what exciting plans does Elon Musk have for its launch? Stick around until the end to find out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to become our 40,000 subscriber and join our community of tech enthusiasts eager to experience the future of home entertainment with the Tesla Smart TV 2025. 1. How does Tesla's AI-powered interface make TV watching simpler than ever? The Tesla Smart TV 2025 represents a major leap forward in home entertainment, combining advanced artificial intelligence with user-friendly design and accessibility features to deliver a truly innovative experience. Modern smart TVs often frustrate users with complicated menus, tiny buttons, and confusing settings, making them less user-friendly, especially for older adults. Tesla aims to change this by simplifying the TV experience with an AI-powered interface that eliminates the need for traditional remotes and controls. One of the standout features of the Tesla Smart TV 2025 is its voice-activated control system. Users can simply say, "Tesla, turn on the news," or "Play my favorite show," and the TV will respond instantly. No remote required. According to Tesla, this feature is powered by highly responsive AI algorithms that understand natural language, making it feel more like a conversation than issuing commands. This ensures that users, especially those who struggle with traditional remotes, can enjoy entertainment without frustration. In addition to voice commands, the Tesla Smart TV 2025 includes a personalized recommendation engine driven by AI. Unlike traditional smart TVs that offer basic suggestions based on viewing history, Tesla's AI learns from your habits to provide smarter recommendations. For example, it analyzes the genres you enjoy and suggests movies or shows tailored to your taste, time of day, and even your mood. Over time, this system ensures recommendations are uniquely suited to you. Tesla claims this AI-driven system can suggest content with 95% accuracy, making it quicker and easier to find what you want to watch. This is especially helpful for older adults who may find browsing through menus time-consuming. The Tesla Smart TV 2025 also prioritizes accessibility. For users with hearing impairments, the TV offers real-time auto-captioning with over 98% accuracy for mainstream content. This ensures hearing-impaired viewers can follow along with conversations, jokes, and important dialogue without missing a beat. For those with vision issues, the TV features larger on-screen text and adjustable color and brightness settings to reduce eye strain, making it more inclusive for all audiences. Looking ahead, one of the most exciting possibilities is the integration of Neuralink, Elon Musk's brain-computer interface technology. In the future, the Tesla Smart TV could allow users to control the device with their thoughts, turning it on, changing channels, or adjusting the volume without speaking or pressing a button. While this feature isn't available yet, early tests show Neuralink can interpret brain signals with 95% accuracy, hinting at a future where mind-controlled TVs could become a reality. What do you think? Is Neuralink integration a game changer? Comment 1 for yes or 2 for no and share your thoughts. 2. Why is Tesla's Smart TV the ultimate home hub? The Tesla Smart TV 2025 isn't just a TV, it's the ultimate home hub. One of its standout features is its seamless integration with Tesla vehicles. You can check your car's battery status, see how much charge is left, and even preheat or cool your Tesla, all from your TV screen. On cold mornings, simply tell your TV to warm up your car or cool it down on hot days, all without leaving your couch. This level of convenience makes Tesla's ecosystem more interconnected than ever. For security-conscious users, the TV can display a live dash cam feed from your Tesla, allowing you to monitor your car's surroundings from the comfort of your home. Whether you're parked in a busy area or just want peace of mind, this feature takes security to the next level. The Tesla Smart TV 2025 also serves as a smart home hub, integrating effortlessly with your smart devices. Control your lights, thermostat, and security cameras directly from the TV screen. No more juggling multiple apps. Tesla's AI learns your preferences over time, automatically adjusting settings for ultimate comfort and efficiency. Whether you're dimming the lights for movie night or checking your home security cameras, everything is at your fingertips. The TV also features hands-free video calling with HD cameras and noise reduction technology. Stay connected with family and friends without the hassle of additional devices. The high-definition cameras ensure you always look great, while noise reduction keeps background sounds from interfering with your conversations. 3. How is the launch plan a key part of strategy? Tesla's launch strategy for the Smart TV 2025 includes the introduction of the XTV app, a dedicated video platform integrated into the Tesla ecosystem. This app offers exclusive live streams, shows, and interactive content, aligning with Twitter's shift toward video. Users can access premium content, including Tesla events, live discussions, and even updates from Elon Musk himself. The app also features real-time interactivity, allowing users to comment on live streams, participate in polls, and engage with the Tesla community directly from their TV. Pricing is expected to start around $1,800, significantly lower than premium smart TVs from competitors like Samsung, Sony, and LG, which can range from $500 to $3,500. This competitive pricing makes Tesla's AI-driven, smart home integrated TV accessible to a wider audience. Higher-end models with 16K resolution, premium audio, and advanced AI features may also be available. Pre-orders for the Tesla Smart TV 2025 will begin in late 2025, with full availability expected between 2026 and 2027. Early adopters will gain access to exclusive features like beta AI updates, special Tesla integrations, and priority software enhancements. This phased rollout allows Tesla to gather valuable customer feedback before scaling production to meet mass demand. Is Tesla revolutionizing the smart TV market or simply joining the competition? Share your thoughts in the comments. Want to stay updated on the latest Tesla innovations? Subscribe to AutoFusion now and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing.